Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making these faux stone vessels from items I found at my local Goodwill and also Target Dollar Spot. This was only $5. I wanted to spray paint everything because I didn't think the spackle would stick to the glass by itself. This is DryDeck's Spackling compound, and I like to use this because it goes on pink, and once it's dry, it turns white, so you know when it's ready. As you can tell, I was using a spatula, but quickly turned to just using my hands as it was easier. I also picked up this lamp from the Goodwill. I really liked this style and the design on the vase itself, but I didn't like it white and wanted to see if I could give it an updated modern look by using black. At this point, I had to put the Megamine vessel out in the sun to dry. I think I used a little too much spackle. To tame down some of the extra spackle, I took a sanding block and just sanded it smooth to the touch. Make sure you wear a mask for this process. It can get really dusty. Once I had everything sanded down and it was dry, I went back with my spray paint. To achieve the limed look of stone, I used Annie Sloan Chalk Paint White Wax. When using the wax, you want to make sure that your piece is fully dry, otherwise you'll just end up with a gloppy mess. This was done the next day, and it actually could have almost been given 48 hours to totally dry. As you can see here, the wax is mixing with the paint a little bit and turning gray. I repeated the same process with the white wax on the plastic bowl. I'm so happy with how the lamp turned out. I think the black spray paint was just the update it needed. And here are my faux stone vessels all styled and ready to go. I just love the way that they turned out, especially styled with some greenery and some beads and books. I'm really excited with the final look. What do you guys think?